Here's Millennium tip number 1. This is for measure 2. For second violins, you're going to see that there's a harmonic marked, and it has an open A, and then there's a little diamond-shaped note on D. Now all we're going to do is we're going to touch very lightly that D, third finger. It has to be right on that mark. And use a kind of a quick bow, a light quick bow. Maybe tilt your bow hair a little bit to stick away from your nose. And then you're going to hold that softly. That's how you do that harmonic. It's called a natural harmonic. For first violins in measure 2, you're going to actually find that D, but you're going to find it with the first finger in third position, and you're going to touch fourth finger. So instead of playing that G here, you're playing that high G. And that gives you that note. Okay, so we have this one, and that's how you get that harmonic. So it's an artificial harmonic because we're shortening the string and then playing a harmonic. There it is. But it's really important that you practice setting it and seeing if you get it right in the first time. Again, a lighter bow, faster bow. You don't have to push down, real light, and just hold.